Okay, we got a good one right now. This is on the EPF swim. I got a 4-pound test, so it's going to be a bit of a fight because I don't want to break off. It is pulling drag. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see here. See if I can get this to come in at all. Keep it taut. Still pulling drag. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. That's a lot of drag. It's pulling quite a bit of drag. Okay. I wonder what I caught. It's definitely a big fish. I don't know if it's a bass. Could be a catfish or carp. Let's see. See if I can get it to come back. This is only a light rod, so it's a little hard. Hope this rod doesn't break. Okay. Jesus. Okay. Okay, it's going all the way to the shore. What the heck is this? Come on, don't go over to that shore over there. Come over here, guy. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to land this fish, but I would like to see what it is. Oh, it's big. It's a big boy. This is on a green pumpkin EPF swim. 1-inch swim bait. This fish is trying to go to the shore. Come on, Bass Pro Shops, Crappy Max. Keep it together, guys. I'm hoping this rod doesn't break, please. This thing is not fighting back anymore, but it's also still really heavy. I don't know what fish this is. I don't know if it's snagged. This might be a carp. It's a carp. It's a big boy. It's a big boy. Hooked in the mouth, too. Hooked in the mouth. Look at this fish. Oh my God, I've never caught a carp this big. I had one break off a shore once like this. Oh my God. Oh my God, you guys see this thing? If I catch this, I'm definitely gonna give it a measurement. Come on, guy. Just trying to turn back around. Turn back around, buddy. This is definitely the biggest carp I've ever caught. Okay. Let's see if I can get it to come to shore over here. It's not done fighting yet. Get my fish gripper out. See if I can get this guy gripped in the mouth. Come on, buddy. Might have to go in the water for this thing. You just keep swimming, buddy. Come on. This thing is never gonna give up. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, this is 4-pound test. I'm being extremely careful here. He's hooked in the mouth. That means he bit it. Okay. I'm gonna have to step in the water to grab this guy. I don't think I can bring him any closer to shore. Come on, no more fighting, buddy. I don't want to. Let's try over here. Come on. Let's make our way over here, guy. Oh, you want to come right here? Okay, he's not done yet. He's not done yet. Okay. Oh, dude. Oh, boy. How can I land this fish? I don't have a net. This is why I should own a net. Turn around, buddy. Turn around. Okay. Okay. Let's see if I can grip this guy. Oh my God, no! No! Ah, it's like a 30-pound carp. Ah, damn it. Okay. All right, I tried to grip him in the mouth. He broke off the gripper. Okay. Dope. Lost my EPF swim. Well,
get it.
I tried.
Gonna catch 'em all. Got my gamer glove on and my paddle tails rig. My name is Belligerentz, and I'm a